Ever seen a tool so smart it makes you question everything you thought you knew about DIY? From mind-blowing power scrubbers to next-gen tile cutting machines, we've dug up 17 of the coolest tools that don't just work, they wow. Whether you're a hardcore builder, a weekend warrior, or just someone who geeks out over clever gadgets, these tools take things to a whole new level, and you're about to see why. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's dive into the most innovative, jaw-dropping tools that are changing the game. Kobalt Power Scrubber. The Kobalt Power Scrubber is a versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle tough grime and dirt with minimal effort. Equipped with multiple brush attachments and variable speed settings, it is suitable for cleaning a variety of surfaces, including tiles, grout, and outdoor furniture. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making prolonged cleaning tasks less strenuous. 2. Disc Grinder Attachment. A disc grinder attachment transforms a standard angle grinder into a multifunctional tool capable of sanding, polishing, and grinding. These attachments come in various forms, such as flap discs for smoothing surfaces, or cutting wheels for slicing through metal. By expanding the capabilities of an angle grinder, these attachments provide a cost-effective solution for diverse material processing needs. Woodpecker's Router Plane. The Woodpecker's Router Plane is a precision hand tool designed for creating smooth, flat-bottomed recesses in woodworking projects. Ideal for tasks such as cleaning out dados and grooves, this router plane offers exceptional control and accuracy. Its robust construction and finely adjustable blade depth make it a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. 4. Mini Needle Scaler. A mini needle scaler is a compact tool used for removing rust, paint, and other debris from metal surfaces. It operates by rapidly striking the surface with a cluster of fine needles, effectively chipping away unwanted material. This tool is particularly useful in automotive restoration and metal fabrication, where precision cleaning is required in confined spaces. 5. Senses Pro. The Senses Pro is an advanced diagnostic tool designed for professionals in various technical fields. It offers comprehensive analysis capabilities, allowing users to troubleshoot and monitor complex systems with ease. Its user-friendly interface and robust construction make it suitable for demanding environments where accurate diagnostics are critical. 6. Woodpecker's Cam-Align Dowel Guide. The Woodpecker's Cam-Align Dowel Guide is an innovative doweling jig that simplifies the process of creating precise dowel joints. Its unique cam system allows for adjustable spacing between guide bushings, accommodating workpieces up to 5 or 2 inches wide. This flexibility enables woodworkers to optimize dowel placement for enhanced joint strength and alignment. 7. Grinder Mount. A grinder mount is an accessory that securely holds a grinder in place, allowing for hands-free operation and increased safety. By stabilizing the grinder, users can achieve more consistent results when sharpening tools or shaping materials. These mounts are often adjustable, accommodating various grinder sizes and types. 8. Raimondi Levematic. The Raimondi Levematic is a tile leveling system designed to ensure flat, even surfaces during tile installation. It utilizes reusable caps and strips to maintain consistent spacing and alignment, reducing lippage between tiles. This system enhances the overall quality and appearance of tiled surfaces, making it a favorite among professional installers. 9. Pliers. Platers are a fundamental hand tool used for gripping, bending, and cutting various materials. Available in numerous designs including needle nose, diagonal, and lineman's pliers, each type serves specific functions. For example, needle nose pliers are ideal for reaching into tight spaces, while lineman's pliers are commonly used by electricians for cutting and twisting wires. 10. Log Holder. A log holder is an essential accessory for managing firewood, providing a stable platform for cutting or storing logs. Designed to keep logs elevated and secure, these holders facilitate safer and more efficient sawing. They come in various designs, from simple metal frames to more elaborate structures with adjustable clamps. 11. Unscrewing Tool. An unscrewing tool, commonly known as a screw extractor, is designed to remove broken or stripped screws that cannot be easily unscrewed with standard drivers. These tools typically feature a reverse threaded design that grips into the damaged screw, allowing it to be backed out of the material. They are invaluable in repair and maintenance tasks where damaged fasteners are encountered. 12. Rebar Cutter. Rebar cutters are specialized tools used in construction to cut steel reinforcement bars, rebar to required lengths. They come in various types, including manual, electric, and hydraulic models, each suited to different project scales and requirements. For instance, electric rebar cutters offer efficiency and safety, while manual cutters are portable and suitable for smaller tasks. Number 13. Spliceal. Spliceal is a sealing solution designed to protect and insulate cable splices and connections. It provides a waterproof and durable barrier, safeguarding electrical connections from moisture and environmental contaminants. This product is particularly useful in outdoor or underground electrical installations where exposure to harsh conditions is a concern. 14. Raimondi Razor Air. The Raimondi Razor Air is a cutting system specifically designed for large format tiles. It features a guided rail system that ensures straight, precise cuts and is equipped with a scoring wheel and braking pliers. This tool simplifies the handling and cutting of oversized tiles, which can be challenging with standard equipment. 15. Raimondi Berta. The Raimondi Berta is a motorized grout cleaning machine that streamlines the process of removing excess grout from tiled surfaces. It features rotating sponges that efficiently clean grout lines without damaging the tiles. This machine is particularly beneficial for large tiling projects, significantly reducing labor time and improving finish quality. 16. Yale Battery Star. The Yale Battery Star is an advanced battery management system designed to optimize the performance and lifespan of industrial batteries. It monitors battery usage, charging cycles, and health status, providing real-time data to ensure efficient energy management. This system is particularly valuable in warehouse and logistics operations, where battery-powered equipment is extensively used. 17. Skil Flip Drill. The Skil Flip Drill is a clever and time-saving innovation for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This tool uniquely combines a drill and a driver in a single dual-ended bit system that can be flipped with one hand. No more wasting time changing out bits or reaching for different tools in the middle of a project. With the Skil Flip Drill, you can pre-drill a hole and immediately drive in a screw using the same device. Simply flip it around and continue. It's a major convenience boost, especially when you're working on repetitive tasks like assembling furniture, installing shelves, or tackling woodworking projects. The design not only saves time but also improves accuracy and efficiency, making it a must-have for anyone who values speed and precision in their work. Skil has managed to merge convenience with durability, giving users a tool that is as tough as it is practical. So there you have it, 17 incredible tools that seriously go above and beyond. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious to know your favorite. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome tool breakdowns, and ring that bell so you never miss a future upgrade. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep leveling up your toolbox.